Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M8, and today I will show you how we can insert SIM card into this phone. So, before we get started, you'll want to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. Just might not look as fancy as this one. Now, if you can't find that tool, you could also use a paperclip. Extend out the ends and it should work just as well, as long as it doesn't have that plastic wrap around it. If it does, you can cut it off and, well, you're good to go then. Now next, we do need to take off case of the device, and the tray is located at the bottom of the device, or right over here. And you can see we have two different holes right here that you might think you could use. The one that we actually want to use that will pop out of the tray is the one that is part of this tray cutout, so closer to the corner. Now once it's in there, you want to push it in. Don't worry, nothing will break, and you can see that the tray pops out, enough for you to pull it out. Now on the tray we have space for also SD card, so let me grab one somewhere. Bear with me, I'm pretty sure I have it somewhere. Oh boy, too much crap. Oh, got it. We're good to go. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, on the top tray, we have space for SIM card, while on the back side, we have space for SIM or SD card. So you could place your SIM card right here as a secondary one, just sideways on the tray like so. Make sure it's clipped in correctly. This card shouldn't be protruding from the tray, as you can see. So completely flush on it, and it shouldn't be falling out if you flip it upside down. Now, anyway, I'm going to just remove it from here and move it to the top side, right so. Oh, wrong way. By the way, the card can only fit one way. Let's flip it upside down and pop in the SD card as well. Come on. Okay, this one isn't trying to click it in, but it doesn't want to go in. Come on, click in place. Oh, I think I got it in there. Okay. So you can see it's now completely flush on the tray, and it's not falling out of it. So that's kind of what we're looking for. Though I don't think it's fully, yep, I can see that it's not fully seated. It's actually pushing the retention bracket down, so that's not what I want. Just fix it up. I don't know if this was already kind of wonky like this before, or did I screw it up, but there we go. Now it's in there correctly. So once we have our cards on the tray correctly, you can then pop it back into your device, and these cards should start working automatically almost right away. Give it a second. There we go. So here's our SIM card pin. We'll need to confirm it to unlock the SIM card, as it does have a pin on it. And SD card is working already as well. As you can see, we have a notification that it's detected, and tap to safely remove. Now we don't really care to safely remove it, so I'm just gonna swipe it away. So there we go. Now I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.